Hey guys, Larry the Tractor Guy here. Hey, I want to talk about service interval on a water pump on a 12.5 liter and then also on your current 13.5 liters and most engines out there that have gear driven water pumps. So I have one here on the back of my pickup that we recently pulled off an engine to do a service on, and it's got, pretty sure this is the original water pump on this engine, and it's got about 10,000 hours on it. Check this out real quick. So here's the water pump here, okay? And as you can see, here's your gear that drives the water pump off of your timing gears in your engine, okay? And I want to show you real quick because I think, in my opinion, that 3,000 hours on a water pump's a pretty good time to change that, just so that we don't have a failure of that water pump and then cause damage to our internal gear train in our engine. Now, now we pulled this water pump off because we're doing some other maintenance to this engine, but we were kind of looking at this, and I don't know if you can hear this, but I'm going to spin this really quick and kind of take a listen to that, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So you can kind of hear how rough that bearing is, okay? And then also we can see a lot of slack in that gear there because of that bearing being loose. And so that water pump is pretty well just about to fail, okay? And so keep that in mind if you're thinking about whether or not to spend the money to replace a gear driven water pump on your 12.5 liter or 13.5 liter engine. We feel like that's a pretty good idea to do that service interval at 3,000 hours. Now keep in mind, this water pump has not failed yet, and it has 10,000 hours on it, but you can see how dry the bearing is and also how loose the bearing is in the housing. So we feel like it's a pretty good idea to go ahead and change that water pump at 3,000 hours. Tech tip of the day, Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it.
We'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out.
some bloopers.
He's sitting in the sun over here, man.